actually we are just making a list of customized visualization. So when we made this, we found this battery chart by this art one day. So out of curiosity, I thought like I'll just make it first and I'll chat it with you guys so that you can also learn. So yeah, so this is this we have just learned from this advantage side. Before jumping into Tableau, in this we need like lot of modification data structure and all. So first I'll just explain you guys how to figure out a data structure for this. Then we'll move on to Tableau, like how to make this. So this, like for example, like whatever you want to make, just first we have to make it in some coordinate system. So we'll be able to get coordinates for it. So similarly, the design we have already started from here. You can see this is like outline 1, the leftmost along with this T shape. This is the outline 1, and further we have outline 2, 3 like that. So to explain you more deeper about a particular outline, so here we have the outline 1 showing the coordinates, and also we have point order saying like 2, 105. So leftmost is first coordinate 2, 105, and the rightmost is like 210. 2, 105 is this one, then 210 is this one, like that. We have like a point order system. Next we have 410. So it's basically this is the leftmost top is the starting first point, then the second point, third point, so on, so like that we are having. So this is the outline 1, and similar to this we'll have like outline 2, outline 3, so on. So I'll just open the Excel sheet and I'll show you guys. So outline 1, whichever you have seen the left portion of it, that's only the outline 1, and outline 2 is the topmost portion. This topmost portion is outline 2, outline 3, outline 4, like that we have divided. There is actually, if you speak simply, there is no need for division like this. We can have everything in outline 1, and instead of having each point order 1, 2, 3, 4, we can just continue 9, 10 like that. But if we have more granular, we will have flexibility in modifying and changing the outlines. For example, if you see if all are there in single outline, then it will be difficult to change if we change any one of this. So the idea behind like multiple outlines is if you want to change the size of the battery or something, so it will be easy to modify. If you put everything on one outline, then you have to change all the points. For example, if you would like to increase the height of outline 1, this one alone, then you can modify the outline 1 and the outline 2 accordingly. That's the idea behind having multiple outline. Now we will just see what is the idea behind the bar. Similar to that of outlines, like outline sketch, we have coordinates for bar as well. So bar 1 will have like 4 coordinates saying 4 position. That also we can see in our Excel sheet. So for example, this one is of bar 1 coordinates, and this is the point order for bar, first coordinate, second, third, fourth, like that. So we have like 4 coordinates for each bar. So this is the data structure for the battery chart. And if you ask me like, is this one, we can make this type of visualization only for battery? No. If you want to make any of the visualization whichever you feel, just firstly you have to draw it in coordinate system and you have to just get the points. So this will be maybe the takeaway of the session. So Tableau is not only limited to 5 bar charts and so on. So we can just make the chart whatever we feel like having it. But only thing is we have to make the data accordingly for that. That's the key take. That will be the key takeaway of the session. So now we got a chance to look at the data. Now we will jump into the Tableau.
Jairam, just 1 second. So just to be a little more clear here for me. Just go into that coordinate system one more time, please.
Yeah, sure.
1 to 8, outline 1. Just go to outline 1.
Yeah, this entire portion is outline. Okay, outline 1. Yeah, this is outline 1.
Okay, so this is outline 1. So there is, where are the points?
Yeah, this is 2, 105, first point.
Okay, the first one, okay.
And
then it's going.
Okay. Second point. Then you can see just by arrows, like outline 1 first, then it goes by this way. The arrow on the border. So this entire thing falls under the outline 1. Like that, he has divided all the.
Okay, got it. Why is this 105? I'm just trying to understand this particular one. Why is that 105?
just he has taken the axis from top 10, 20, 30 like that. It's not necessary we have to follow the same. Just according to his coordinates, whatever he has taken, it seems to be like that.
Okay. Got it. Okay. 0 to 10. Okay, understood. Okay, cool. So this part is clear. So accordingly, you have the various other coordinates, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. But does it work if you take from, let's say, top 100? Because I think most systems will follow 0 to just like the x-axis, right? So you'll also have some 0 to top, right? So why would it work if it is from, let's say, the axis gets reversed? Is that how it works?
Yeah, we have an option in Tableau like edit the axis, and we can just reverse the axis top from bottom or bottom to top.
Okay, all right, sounds good. Okay, cool.
So as we have for coordinate system, we have for bar also. You can see like this is the first point, then second, third, fourth, like that. So in total, we have 4 points for bars, except the one which comes in middle. Here we will have 6 coordinates. Yeah. So this is the data structure. So now we will just look into the Tableau screen, what all modifications we have to do and how to get this. So just we will drop the X in columns and Y in bars. Sorry, Y in rows. And just we will change it to polygon. Bar, we will just put bar in detail, so we will be able to get all the bars and so on. So now we have to fix the path, which should be the first point and second point, so on. So we will put the point order in the path. Okay. So just if you put some X, Y and bar in detail and point order in path, we will just get the structure whichever we wanted. And now, as like Chaitanya asked before, how do we get the 110 on bottom and top, so and so? Just we will go to edit axis and we can just give reversed. So in this way we can just change the axis according to the data structure. So now we got the bar. Now the catch is like how to make this parameter and control the bar, so and so. Yeah, we'll move on to that. And so first we will try to color the bar by using, if you look at the data, we have a metric bar which says about the outline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. We'll just try to color all. So now actually we are getting each color for one outlines. If you see, this is outline 1 separate, outline 2 separate, outline 3 separate. So we don't need like separate colors for outline. We will try to group the outline in an all together. So in that case, we will just get one common color for outline, and for each bar we will get a different color. To get that, we'll just create a calculated field. So the left field will give the number of characters whichever we mentioned, as we already saw. Left bar 7. So now what it does is, in bar you can just see the data structure is like outline 1, outline 2, outline 3. So outline consists of total 7 characters. So that's why we are taking the first 7 characters from the bar, and if it is equal to outline, then outline, else just display the number of bar, whatever is n. So now instead of bar, we'll replace it with the outline color. So if you see, now we got all outlines of same color, and for bar it's different color. Again, I'll try to explain once more. So if you see, in bars we have like outline 1, outline 2, outline 3, so on. So outline is the first 7 characters. Just we no need to color outline in different way. So first we are using left function to get the first 7 characters, and if it is equal to outline, then make it outline, else give the bar number, whichever is 1, 2, 3. These are like the bar numbers which is inside the outline. So now we just got a common color for outline, and each bar different color. Now like similar to the one which I showed you, like based on charge percent which we select, the number of bars will be displayed. This we will just I already created a parameter which you can see in the screen. So name is charge, we will keep in float, and the minimum will be 0, maximum will be 1, step size will be 0.1. So in this way we will have a parameter. Okay, after getting parameter, now we have to use it in some field. Just I made a charge percentage to bar. This is like straightforward. If charge percent is less than 0.2, then 0. Then if it is less than 0.03, then give like 1. If it is less than 0.04, then give 2, so on so. So now we converted the parameter into some definite numbers. I will just also say you guys why I have gave like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in total we have only 8 bars. So that's why I gave like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 till 8 bars. If you are changing based on data structure, I have given 8. So if you have 10 bars, then you can give each of the 10% 1 bar, so on so. You can modify the Excel sheet like whichever I have shown you based on the coordinate system, and we can just add number of bars or whatever based on the coordinates whichever you like to have more number of bars. Then you have to modify the coordinate system accordingly. You have to add 9, then you have to modify everything actually. So that's the case. Next, now we got this charge percent to bar. Now how will we just convert this charge percent to bar to for coloring? So now we can just see there is no interaction, though if we show the parameter, if we try to change, there is no change. This is because we didn't include any of them in the calculated field. Now we will just create a calculate field for control. We will just mention parameter. So if charge percent to bar. This is the metric like which we created showing the parameter control to the number of bars. This is the metric which we created. That is the charge percent to bar. If this is greater than or equal to int of outline color. Why I say here outline color is, in the outline color the outcome will be either outline or the number of bar. So here also we have like charge percentage to bar is the outcome of the, in this outcome will be like 0 to 8, and in the outline color what will be the outcome? We have grouped all the outline to single outline, and also we have bar, each bar as like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on so. So just we are comparing between these two. If this case is true, then true. And also now just we are just comparing it with the number of bars, but also we should have outline. Here the outline, when it compares, it will show like false. We have to write one more argument so that we will get outline all the time in the visualization. So this is same. Else if int charge percentage bar is greater than 0, it will be always greater than 0. Just we will use this to get the outline. Then outline color is equal to outline. Is this field clear, or should I explain one more?
So it's a bit confusing. Let me see if I got it right. So the outline color has a field, either it's outline or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Now, okay, in the first condition, what we're checking is we're basically checking the percentage output with the outline color, and if it is greater than that, we are giving true. Okay.
Or else for the time being we will just remove this. Parameter and we'll just select true. Okay. So now only the first statement is getting executed. We are just comparing the bar, the parameter which we have selected to the number of bar. So if we select 4, we are getting 3, and if we are selecting 5, we are getting like 4. Now why it's happening is we haven't wrote any field addressing the outline. We have grouped all the outline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as outline. Since we are comparing the charge percentage to the bar with that of like integer outline color, this output will be from 0 to 7. Outline won't come into picture, because of which we are not getting the outline. So now we have to write some argument so that outline will be displayed. So for that only we have the second statement. So if int charge to bar percent is greater than or equal to 0. Anyway, in parameter we have given like from 0 to 1 float. So all the time it will be greater than 0. So in that case, just give me the outline also as just display me the outline also. That's the second argument. Now you can just see the outline also will be displaying in the screen. Though if we give 0, nothing will be there, but just the outline alone. So to get the outline, we wrote the second argument. And yeah, so based on the parameter selection we do, we will be able to see the change in the visualization. Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I had for you for today. That's it from my side. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask.
Jairam, nice session. Just I was curious, like, is there a way for us, like, for example, we created this bar chart, and instead of giving us a parameter control for the number of bars, put the number of bars in the battery based on some metric in the data set. Like, let's say, for example,
yeah, I think it will be possible. Like for wavefill chart, we had separate wavefill chart data set, and I just use some profit ratio or something like this. Profit ratio. Yeah, so profit ratio I just used and I just colored it. I think this will be possible here also, though I'm not sure. Maybe I'll check this and.
Okay, so we basically keep all the bars, and based on the metric we color the. Okay, understood.
Instead of charge percent, we can just give profit ratio or whatever.
Okay. But would that mean that our data structure would need to be changed?
No, just we have to connect this battery meter data to that.
Okay, understood. Interesting. Yeah. Okay.